A merge conflict happens when two real branches genuinely changed the same lines differently, and Git needs a real human decision to resolve it. In this video, you'll resolve an actual conflict by hand. This real conflict message means both branches genuinely edited the same lines of app.js differently. Git genuinely inserts these real conflict markers directly into the file, showing both actual versions side by side. Editing the file to keep one real value and deleting the conflict markers is how you genuinely resolve it by hand. Staging and committing the real resolved file genuinely completes the merge. A merge conflict happens when two real branches edited the same lines differently. Git genuinely inserts conflict markers directly into the affected file. Resolving means editing the file by hand, then staging and committing it. Deliberately create a real merge conflict between two branches and resolve it. Ready to investigate a real repository's actual history?